Hello, Kuya Willie. Hello, everyone. I want to say hello to all of my families, classmates, teachers, and friends. Happy viewing, those who are watching right now. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Welcome to our first part of our program in the school, the PTA, Parent and Teachers Association. That was very nice of you, Kate. Who taught you of that? Greetings.
My mommy.
Wow. What is your course? Are you studying already?
Yes.
What? Preparatory? What? Kinder?
I'm grade 1.
You're grade 1. What school?
Maria Montessori School of Quezon City.
Oh, Maria Montessori School of Quezon City. Wow. Are you happy you're here?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to have a lot of money.
Ah, that's why. A lots of money. Why? What do you want to buy?
Because so I can have surprise for my family.
Oh, you're so nice. What kind of surprise you want to give them? What?
It's a secret
Ah,
for
that's
them.
why. I'm sorry. Huwag natin pahirapan ng mga sarili natin. Ano yung trophy na yan? Ano yan? Saan galing?
Gloaters.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Miss Foundation.
You?
Yes.
Okay. You have pictures daw. Tingnan natin pictures po niya ni Kate. Oh. That's your mommy?
Yes.
Very sexy, ano? Very beautiful. That's nice. Oh! Beautiful, ha? Ha?
Parang Chinese.
Parang Chinese ka daw? Sabi niya, parang Chinese. Are you Chinese?
No.
What?
I'm Australian.
Australian? Wow. How about you?
Filipino.
Filipino. Are you Filipina?
Yes.
Okay. O, balik tayo sa Tagalog, ha? Saan mo ito napanalunan? What school?
Gloaters College.
Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ano to? Anong contest?
Miss Foundation.
You won.
Yes.
Okay. Anong work ng daddy?
He's carrying some box.
What works?
Box on my shop.
Boxes?
Yes.
What kind of shop?
Grocery.
Ah, groceries. Okay. Okay na? Introduce na your mommy. Okay, what's the name of your mommy? Okay? Go.
My beautiful mommy and sexy mommy, Kim Kaayon.
Mami Kim! Hello, Mami Kim!
Magandang hapon po, Will.
Ay, magandang hapon. Ilan bang anak mo?
Dalawa na po. Bali, yung siya, tapos yung bunso ko po ay 1 buwan pa lang.
Ah, kapapanganak lang?
Yes,
Wow, okay. Sige. Sino nag-isip sumali siya dito?
Nakita po namin sa Facebook, tapos nanonood din kasi sila ng kanyang ate. Ayun, sabi daw na mag-audition. Kaya sinubukan po namin.
Yun, wow. Nanonood ka ba nun?
Yes.
You like the show?
Yes.
What show?
Wawawin.
Yeah, okay. Mami, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Kate?
Anak, lagi kang makinig kay ate, ha? Kasi lagi akong
Yes.
wala, nagtitinda ako. So, hindi ka laging nagkukulit. Kasi lagi kang makulit, laging nagre-reklamo si ate mo sa'yo. Ang kulit-kulit mo daw kasi. Hindi ka nakikinig, lagi mo siyang binabasa. Ha? Tigilan mo na yon, ha?
Hindi mo naman
Opo.
pagalitan. Hoy, ito naman.
Hindi
Yan,
naman.
hoy.
Okay, ha? I love you. I love you so
too,
much, anak ko.
Mami.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, kay Mami, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Mami?
I love you, Mommy.
You too. I love you too, Caitlin.
Okay. Si Daddy, andun si Daddy nanonood, oh. Ito yung camera.
I love you, Daddy.
Kay Ate.
Ate Tata.
I love you, Ate Tata.
Kay Lola.
I love you, Lola.
Lolo.
I love you, Lolo.
Uncle.
I don't have uncle.
Tita.
Yes.
Say hello to Tita.
I love you, Tita.
Oh, your kapitbahay. Okay. Ah,
I don't have.
ah,